New generation intelligent temperature and vibration monitor. Simply attach it to provide all-day temperature and vibration protection for the motor, collecting data in real time and synchronizes it to the monitoring platform via wireless network. Engineers can check data anytime on the PC. All readings update dynamically with motor operation for clear visibility at a glance. Once values exceed safety thresholds during heavy load operation, the IIoT platform triggers multi-level alarms instantly. Pop-up notifications plus audible and visual alerts to notify engineers at the first time. Remote analysis of temperature curves and vibration data supports timely intervention, preventing equipment unexpected downtime. The system resets automatically when data returns to normal ranges, continuously safeguarding stable motor operation. Our temperature and vibration monitor, the intelligent bodyguard for every motor.